Hi guys, I'm back with a new video today, and I'm going to do a simple clutch. I want to use the rectangular base one more time, and for this clutch I just want to make it a little bit classy, and I'm just going to use cotton yarn, 100% cotton, and pearls. Okay, so for this project it's going to be very simple. I'm going to use this color, which is like a jeans color. I will drop the link in the description box where you can find it, and I bought it on Amazon, and I'm using a 1.5 mm hook, and the clutch is just going to be a simple clutch with a rectangular base, and I'm going to put on some pearls later on, but that at the end. So let's start step by step, right? Okay. I will start with the 74 stitches. Let's make a slip knot, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will just continue and doing my rectangular base. I will drop the link in the description box where you can find the video for that. I did a tutorial on that, so you can check that out, and also I will drop the link here where you can see an I, which is the information card. Okay, so you can find that in the description box or here somewhere, and check the tutorial, and then we can continue ours. Okay, okay guys, as I told you, I have finished the rectangular base, and for that I have already suggested you the video. And now, after I finished my base, I will just make one row without adding any stitches on the sides. Okay, so after I have finished this one row without adding any stitches at the corners, at the both sides here, if you see now, I am starting to go up, right? So this is the outside and this is the in part. Okay, so now I'm just going to work around here for the bag. So my design is that I'm just going to do a plain blue bag clutch, and then I will add some pearls. So there is two ways that we can add the pearls. One is just by sewing them, which I'm going to do because I want to see first how big the bag will be. And then another way is by crocheting the pearls, and for that I'm doing a new tutorial, which you can find it here somewhere. I'm going to give you the link, which is with an I with a dot here up here, and also I am going to drop the link in the description box, so there you can find how to crochet in the pearls. Okay, and once I will finish the crochet part, I will come back to give you an update on that. So hi guys, here is the finished crochet bag. At the top I did an opening where I use a tapestry crochet backwards. This is another technique in tapestry crochet, and for this I can do a video. If you are interested, just drop me a comment in the comments below this video. I have crochet about 29 cm from top to the end, and you can do it as high as you want, depends on you. And this is the rectangular base, as I told you. I did it this long because I'm planning to have a fold over clutch, and I will fix the opening later. Inside I'm not gonna put a zipper because of the opening. The zipper must be down here somewhere, which is very difficult to put a zipper there. So anyway, this is a fold over, so if I put things inside I don't think they will fall out. Okay, and now I will just put the pearls, the decoration on the opening, and also in other places, and I will use these boxes. If you see these boxes, they have a set of pearls and beads, and I think I will use this white one because I think this will look nice with this color and this simple model. So I'm planning to use this one, and I think it will look nice. You can use sewing or crocheting the pearls as you like. For crocheting the pearls I have also a tutorial, and you can find it somewhere over here with an I. Okay guys, so this is the final project. I added these pearls here all around, and I added these pearls here, which you can just do with the crocheting pearls, or you can just do it with a line. Just sew them, and so this was very simple one, as I told you, and like this is a very long bag and a fold over one here, like this. Okay, so I will drop all the details of the materials that I have used in this project. I will drop them in the description box, and if you like this project, just give me a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe, and I will have a new project coming soon. Thank you for watching.